Hey y'all, so as usual I'm in the car like always, but what is so weird? But today I'm going to be, as you can tell by the title, spending the day alone. I'm gonna be spending the day alone, just doing, I don't even know where I'm gonna go right now. Like first, I don't even know what to do. I'm just gonna like kind of like spoil myself in a way, like just do whatever. If I see something I want something, I'll get it, I guess, you know. Just spend the day doing whatever, because I want to get out the house. My mom said she's gonna watch my son, so I was like, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna leave and just go like walk around. And I was like, why not make a video out of it? But y'all probably seen in my last video, I look ghetto as hell. I'm missing this nail and then this nail already. Like I just got them, well, I didn't just get them done, it's already time for a fill, but still, like, it's ghetto. I need to go get them fixed. I might go get them fixed today, I don't know. Well, not fixed, like go get them done again today, but I don't know, I gotta see. But yeah, so oh shit. Hope y'all enjoyed this video today, and yeah, let's just ride around and see what there is to do. Oh, I need to put gas in the car. Damn it, I was not trying to put no gas in the car, but whatever. Okay, hold on.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks.
Hi, can I please get a grande caramel ribbon crunch?
Alright, what else for you?
And then a bacon gouda, please.
Bacon gouda? Is that
No.
all for today?
Yes, that'll be all.
Alright, we'll have it to the left window. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I have not yet ate today, so I am starving. Definitely starving. Bro, what the fuck? Why won't this shit stay? Like, ew. Stay. And it better not fall. Anyways, this little sweater is cute. I've had it for a very long time, but I don't really wear it. My best friend gave this to me, so I think she gave it to me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she gave this to me a long time ago. And I still have it, and it's like, right now it's not hot, but it's not like cold, it's like cool. So I feel like this is the perfect thing to wear, because it got like holes in it. Not holes, but you know, it's like you can breathe in it. Like, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but you know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So after this, what should I do? Should I go to Target? I think I'm gonna go walk around at Target. There's a couple things I need. I do have a store list, because there are some stuff that I need, but I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna go walk around at Target and like look around at stuff and just see, like, you know, what is there, like if I want to get anything, or if anything looks like, because my skin looking crazy, like bad. Like, I'm trying to get my skin together. Oh, don't mind my hair look crazy too, but I'm trying to get my skin right. Really, it's just like I have acne scars. I don't have like there's a few like up here, right here, but really I just have like scars on my face that I need to get rid of. Which I have this stuff, but you can't really use it while breastfeeding, and I was breastfeeding, but I'm about to be done breastfeeding, so I think I'll be able to use it. What the fuck? Wait, what did I just see? I seen some shit.
You had the bacon gouda and the caramel crunch frappuccino. Alright, the lady for you actually paid for your order. So
Did she?
Free today.
Oh my gosh, that's nice. Wait, what did the person behind me get?
Just a frappuccino. It's $5.40.
Okay, I'll pay for that.
Alright.
Dang, that's so nice.
that for you.
Thank you.
Here's your frappuccino
Thank you.
and the bacon gouda.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Dang, I hope the camera didn't fall. That was so fucking nice, bro. They fucking paid for me. What the fuck, dude? I'm tripping. No, I'm just playing. No, but that was really nice, though. That was actually really, really nice. Hold on, y'all. Let me go see. Maybe I'll go into Kohl's since I'm right here. I don't know. Next we have a bacon gouda. Why does my jaw kind of hurt? My jaw hurts a little bit. Something's always hurting on me. So I guess I'm just gonna go to Target. I'm not gonna go here. I'm gonna go to Target. You know I gotta put on my directions. Y'all know where I'm going. Okay, y'all. Now I'm at Target, but before I go in, is it just me or does anybody get like paranoid when the police get behind them? Like, not like sirens on, just if you're just driving and they get behind you. Like, I'm not doing nothing, but I just don't like the fact that they behind me, you know? I just start getting, like, I will go out my way. Like, I just did. I'll go out my way to like make a turn so they're not behind me. You know? Like, I'll do some extra stuff because I don't know why I be getting paranoid. I just do not like when they behind me. Like, what the hell? I feel like they're gonna find a reason to pull me over. I'm gonna finish that when I get back in now. But okay, let's go inside. Damn, bro, this shit do not want to let me go. No, we're done with that. Let me get me a cart. Alright. Let's go. I guess I'll do what I did last time. I'll put you guys right there. Or wait, hold on. Let me get into the aisle. I'll fix it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I do need more Q-tips. I need Q-tips, so let me get me some Q-tips.
Hand and lotion.
Ooh, I want to try this. Wait, which one's this? Oh, yeah. This is cool. I'm gonna get this one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's the same thing. Y'all, anytime I go to Target, I get face masks, so you should already know. Should I get Micah some clothes? Probably not. Probably shouldn't, but you know, I always do stuff I shouldn't do. I always do stuff I shouldn't do. I hope y'all can hear me, because I'm talking hella low. I'm talking hella low. Oh, I remember when Micah was this small. So little. I got a fat man now. I got a fat man now. Micah has this outfit. He has that. Okay. Let me see, where's some shirts? I'm gonna get him some shirts. But they don't have any size. So there's pictures. I know. Some shirts for the big boy. What the hell is that shit? Oh wait, this is the same. Yeah, he doesn't care about that. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute too. I really want to look at some candles. I want to get some candles, but I don't know where they are. Like, if those are the only candles, I'm gonna get them from somewhere else because those candles was expensive. Does she work here? She does, but she's on a roll. She got stuff to do. She got stuff to do. She was gone. Oh, here's some more candles. How much are these? Okay, these ones not bad. Let me see. Not my type. Still not my type. That's all they have. I don't like sweet. She got that jacket from her right there. Is this all they have? Nope. I don't like none of those. Let me go ask this guy. Ow, look at my leg. Excuse me?
Yes.
Where do you guys keep like all your candles?
Candles are going to be up front by these by the entrance over here.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Jackpot. Up front by the entrance. Oh, I see them. I see them. Those are $10. They better smell good. They better smell good. That one smells good. Okay, I'm back in the car. And, oh wait, I'm gonna show y'all what I got first. So, what I got from Target was some of the stuff y'all don't even need to see. Oh, I thought this lady was mad as fuck. Some of the stuff y'all don't need to see. It's just like personal shit. Okay, so first I got some mascara because I need more mascara. I don't wear makeup like that, but I got mascara. I got this little like wallet because the one I have is just so big. Like, I don't want to carry this big thing everywhere with me. So I got this one, and now I can just use them both. You know, this one's like small. Okay. Then I had got face masks. I got these little face masks, and you can use it like 5 times. You just squeeze a little bit on your hand, and then you can like, yeah. I got this kind of, wait, how many of these kinds I got? I got 2 of these ones I just showed you, and then 2 of this one. So I got that kind. And then I got these face masks, which are also like squeeze, like you squeeze them so you can use them. Like this one says 3 to 4 uses. I needed more soap, so I got soap. I got this scrub, cherry blossom and tea rose. It's like a scrub for your skin. I want to try it. I don't know. Just trying out different stuff to see what I like. I got candles, which I'm pretty sure y'all seen. I showed y'all the candles I got. This one smells really good. Rose petal. That one smells really good. I just realized both of the candles I got are pink. And I got this candle, which is wild cherry blossom. Oh, just like my scrub. Okay. Just like that scrub I got. Oh wait, I'm acting like y'all can smell it. Okay, and then I got my son some shirts. I love like having him wear big shirts. That's cute. This one, it says you got a wait, yeah, you've got a friend in me. Toy Story. This one's Blue's Clues. Every day is a good day. And then this one is Star Wars. So they're comfortable for him to sleep with, like a shirt and some pants, or a shirt and some shorts, or whatever the case might be. He likes sleeping with that. So yeah, that's what I got from Target. Now it's I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna go do a car wash maybe. And after the car wash, or maybe I'll just go to Meijer right now. Okay, I'm at the car wash. Oh, why I feel like my hair just got wet? Like, the fuck? Thank you. So, I go through this car wash, and then I was on the phone with my sister and my niece who wanted a cake pop, so I'm about to go back to Starbucks. Well, it's a different Starbucks, but I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get her a cake pop because she wants a cake pop. That's my job. I'm gonna make sure all these windows is up. But that's my job, is to get her a cake pop. We'll get her what she wants, so I'm gonna get her what she wants. And that's a cake pop, so I'm gonna get her that. But yeah, my son loves car washes. It's like I'm in a disco. 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 But should I go to the movies? I think I'm gonna go to the movies today. I have to pick up my brother to take him to work at 3:30, so I'm gonna just do other stuff before then. But I think I'm gonna go to the movies. I don't know. but I should just go to the movie and see what's up. I'm here, y'all. I am here. Let me scoot this back a little bit. And let me take my niece her cake pop that she's been dying about. Leave that right there.
Get it.
Freya, here.
What is it?
Cake pop.
The cake pop? Get it then.
Here, Freya.
Get it, TT. Say thank you. I'm not holding you here. Say thank you, TT. TT.
You happy now?
Jump, jump.
Jump, jump.
Jump, jump.
Jump.
The birdies, they jump, jump.
Oh. Freya, you look so cute. I know Mom was like,
You look cute on the top.
Angel's gonna be so happy you look girly today. And I was like, well, she's not gonna like the pants.
I mean, you look okay on you, and then I don't like the Crocs and the socks. I just don't understand that part.
Well, I had to pee really bad. Yeah, I'm at Home Depot for my mom. This lady's putting in whatever she ordered. It was curbside, so you know they come put it in the car for you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, bitch, do my work. No, it's fine. Okay, well, they did that, so now I'm gonna take my booty home, I guess, to pick up my brother, but I'm gonna drop him off at work, then continue my day. Y'all, I forgot to update y'all earlier. I think the last thing y'all seen was me at my sister's house. Well, I left her house, obviously. I already dropped my brother off at work, and now I'm gonna go link up with the homegirl, because why not? I'm gonna pull up, talk to her for a little bit, and
turn right onto East 59th Street.
And then probably go to like walk around at the mall, or maybe I don't know. I'm gonna just see what I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna be out too late. It's 4:25 right now, so I'm just gonna, you know, probably be back before my son's bedtime.
In 3/4 of a mile, take a slight
yeah.
right turn onto East 56th Street.
Okay, y'all, I'm here at the homegirl house. I'm going now. I was gonna sing it. That's why it sounded weird. I was gonna sing when I said at the homegirl house, but I didn't. My parking is all bad. I can't park for shit. I'm hungry as fuck. I'm gonna go get me something to eat in a minute. I gotta walk up these fucking stairs. Oh, get my exercise in. And then wait, is this F? Oh yeah. Ooh, let me go show him. Why would we do the same face?
Oh, hey.
Actually, I was just gonna walk in, but you had your door locked.
What?
Okay, y'all, I'm about to go into this seafood place and eat me some seafood because, yeah. I'm by myself though, and it's weird, like going in here by myself. Like, you know, I don't go places by myself, so it's just like weird, kind of. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna go in here and eat this, and then yeah. So I'll show y'all when I get in there. Yeah, thank you. Ready for the drink? Oh yeah, you can bring it. Okay. Do you have like a to-go thing?
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Do you have like a to-go thing?
Yeah, I can give you a to-go bag.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Double bag is just so the juice doesn't come out or anything.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, sure, you can go ahead. I'm just setting it up for you.
I'm going to see if
Be right back. Sign up first copy. Have a great day, all right?
Thank you. Okay, so I'm back in the car. That seafood was good, but I didn't stay in there for long because I was by myself and I just felt awkward. It's good, it's just the crab legs is it's little. Like, I need more meat than that, baby. And I didn't really record, well, I barely recorded, but there was a lot of people in there and I felt awkward, so I didn't really record myself. So that's why there's not a lot of footage of me doing that. Y'all, this is a whole different day, but I just wanted to end the video because I never ended it. So I hope y'all enjoyed.
You already know what that.
Oh shit. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment. Like the video if you liked it. Comment other videos you want to see me do. And subscribe to the channel. And yeah. I'll see y'all next video.